And then we tie it up. Put the bolts. We're done. Now we're going down there to top it up. The oil. And then we're done.
And now we just topped it up. So it's full.
Alright, so we're gonna get a test drive.